Hey guys, let's try to have a look on our vibe coding module. As these things, take some time while we are waiting for the generation. I will do two of them at once. You can do even three or five of them at once. Doesn't matter. Just to demonstrate it, I will use the uh, in one. I will use I will try to generate for a mobile app, and in other I will try to generate some sort of smaller game. So let's try to do this. Let's try to write short promotion for new upcoming Netflix titles. Uh, include CTA with sale offer and user being able to see details of each movie slash series. And let's see what it will give us. It will be our first prompt and we will be basically iterating more. So we can push this. And for the second one, let's do, what are we going to do? Let's do merge free in cute dragon style. Comic like appearance. No time limit. User can play as long as he has items to merge. Always visible CTA. Let's try this one and we will see what it will bring. And while our games are being created, I will also show you how to use the reskin, which you can use in both templates by Builder and also in the vibe code. But let's go for some match-free game, for example, this one, and use this reskin button, which will show you the currently used assets. And let's do something Deadpool style. That's it. We will see how it will change our things. And here, let's use different genres. So let's go for simple spin the wheel mechanic, and let's use it for cute dogs kawaii style. Let's see. As AI, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's weird. So let's see what it will give us. In the meantime, while my AI is rescanning two of my existing templates, let's check about this one. So our Netflix iteration is ready with its first version. So let's check how it looks. It has some scrolling gallery. There are details for each movie. And as you can see, it was generated from 2 lines of text. So start watching now. There is this discount code, and I'm going to the App Store. Now I can add more prompts here to modify it, but in general, I'm quite happy with this one, so I don't have to. If you want to modify some assets, so for example, Netflix is clear, the logo is fine, but you want different background or different image for this Wednesday movie, for example, because you can have these assets on your own. You can do the same. So as you can see now, I modified the asset for my own, and I don't need to give these assets to AI. Here on the right, you can see our merge free have been generated. So let's see how our AI has fared here. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, it has even created animation. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right. So probably our next prompt will be to have the condition that the items need to be together in terms of to be merged, but maybe not. Maybe this is fine. Playful game. There goes our iteration. And let's check how far we are with our changes here. So this one is already in progress and this one is only in the beginning. So let's wait for those. So both of our templates are being reskinned. This one is almost done. This one is already done. So let's check this one first. What I can do here, I can use those assets straight away, or I can just close the window and lost all my progress. I can also check, the modification. So for example, it changed this item for this one. I can select which one to use and which one I don't. For example, I don't want to use this one. And let's use the assets. And now I can see that it has customized my template into not customized, but reskin my template in the design as I have described it. Same goes for here on the left. So it was Deadpool style. So let's check how this is going. Oh, it's quite heavy. So let's check what's after the first scene. Okay. And we can play the reskin game as it is with all the Deadpoolish assets as it was delivered. Of course, I don't have to accept it. I can still modify it same as you would do with your templates before. So you can still modify everything in terms of behavior and other customizations. But this kind of reskin should give you some sort of quick start if you don't have the assets at hand, if you want to just play around, see some first versions and so on and so forth. And now let's go back to our vibe coding stuff. So while we were doing the reskin, our stuff was done and we might have second thought of changing something. So in this Netflix, I would just add simple things. I don't need to write the whole prompt again. I don't need to describe the whole game. If you want to do something completely different, you need to go from the beginning. But if you want to now do the small changes and modifications, you can do it. And ideally, you should go one by one so it doesn't get overwhelmed with different aspects. But let's say add more titles and add some confetti animation, why not? Or confetti effect. Maybe it's just in the end cards. Oh no, when title is selected. Okay, and here let's say the items should be merged only when near each other, meaning three same items are connected by one of their sides. Submit. Let's see what we will get. Okay, let's see our changes. So first, our dragon merge. So I can only merge items that are next to each other. Okay, like this. Okay, but I see first we need to tell the AI that those items can actually be moved. So that's what we are going to do in the last step. No more moves. Okay, so user should be able to move the items on the grid and also fill the grid with items. Let's see. And our Netflix modification, so there was add some confetti when item is selected and add more titles. So yep, we got more titles here. And when I select, small confetti is shown. All right, pretty good. And let's do one more thing. Make the carousel height a bit let's make the carousel larger, raised height. And this will be our last prompt. Let's see. how it will work. So our dragon merge prompt that we requested, I used the best, not very good wording for it, so it basically contradicted itself, and it led to not working part. When this happens, you should just delete the iteration that you don't like, so it's not used in the future. And I improved my wording, and I'm waiting now for another iteration. And here on the Netflix part, um, we wanted to make the carousel larger, which it is, and everything is working fine. And this should be my final playable. And how can I build it for the ad networks that I want to? And I'm good to go. Let's wait for the dragon merge. Okay, so our improved prompt was done. And now let's check. So merging three items work, and I can also move items around. So I can do stuff like this and finish the game as I would like to. Let's see if there is any problem, if I can reach some end, even though I have told in the first prompt that the user should be able to play forever. So there's our CTA button. No more moves. Nice. So yep, this is how we do it. The key is here to not overcomplicate it, create one prompt and then iterate on small changes, small iterations. If something is not good, if it's completely broken, remove it so AI can forget it and you can continue in the flow. If you want to start all over or start describing completely new game, go back and create a different chat or different basically set of different projects, so you can do something else, and you can always come back here, build it, or continue your changes. You can swap your assets for something else, for something that you would like to have, and that's it.